Paul from Boatshed, Lancashire, on this beautiful 2006 Elan Impression 344. It's got two good size aft cabins, engine bay obviously, got plenty of bit of cupboard space underneath to the side, engine access through here as well. Good sized cabins, and forward of that we've got the heads with shower, nice and airy, easy to keep clean. Good sized galley, fridge, obviously sink units, obviously the main salon. Again, this drops down and make another double if you wanted to. The TV, obviously nav station, electrics panels, extra seating, and then into the forward double cabin also. Again, storage underneath. Either side you've got storage space. So here's a cracking example.